doing? My name is Cez. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing. And by the way, I'm a Filipina / American / well, I'm already dual citizen. So I'm a Filipina American living here in Las Vegas. And for today's video, well, guys, Valentine's Day is fast approaching. Today is already the 1st of February. So we have 13 more days to celebrate Valentine's Day. And what are your preparations? Well, for us, or for me, since my son is in kindergarten and they will have a lot of activities on Valentine's Day at school, and their teacher were asking us if we can donate something like, you know, goodie bags, whatever it is for Valentine's Day, or candies, chocolates, whatever, you know, cookies, stuff like that, individually packed ones. So I figure I'm gonna give them goodie bags. So Valentine's Day goodie bags for my son's classmates at school. And same last Christmas, I gave them goodie bags as well. Inside the goodie bags, it was like, you know, little toys, miniature toys, and candies, stuff like that. So today, but I wasn't able to vlog it because we were just so busy. And today, I'm gonna show you how, or what am I gonna put in their goodie bags. So earlier this morning, of course, I dropped my son off to school, and then I went to the supermarket at Walmart. I bought some candies to put in the goodie bags. And I also ordered a pre-packaged like goodie bag in Amazon, but it won't arrive until February 5th. So I'm waiting for that as well. But for the time being, I bought goodie bags from the dollar store, which is, it's not $1 anymore, guys, at the dollar store. Everything is $1.25. I think there are some items that are still $1. But I got these goodie bags like this. So I think it's still worth it. It's 3 pieces for $1.25. So I got 10 packs of these. So overall, I have 30 pieces goodie bags. And I need 28 because there are 29 of them, of course, except my son, because he will be the one giving this. But I figure to make it 29 as well, so he's not gonna be like, oh, why I don't get any, why my teacher didn't give me anything, even though it's from him. But I figure I'll make 30, so 28 for my son's classmates, and then 1 for him and 1 for Addie. Say hi, guys. She's got lollipop. So what will be inside my goodie bags? Alright, guys, so here it is. These are the candies. These are the cards with pens for the girls, and then the eraser trucks and the Valentine's card for boys, and the dinosaurs, and the cookies. And these are our goodie bags. And of course, I have a list here of my son's classmates. And then I have this metallic pens because I have to write their name in each bags. And these are my goodie bags and gift bags. So let's get started. So of course, first is we are going to write down the names of his classmates. So there are 3 different designs. This one, a heart one, and this mini heart prints. So can you help Mommy Addie? Let's open the goodie bags, Addie. Okay, it's very cute, guys, see? And let's write down Kuya's classmates. writing the names in the goodie bags. So now we're gonna open this up so we can put all the goodies inside. All right. Oh, by the way, before that, let me assemble these things first, because this one you have to put it on the card, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. See, it looks like this. It comes with this ties as well. You tie it into this card, and I think it's very cute. So it's like that, and then these are the ties. So there they are, guys. I'm already done with the trucks, and now I am going to do the dinosaurs. It's right here. So let's start doing the dinosaurs. So we have to write down the name here at the bottom as well, and then tie it there at the back. All right, so I'm done for the boys, guys. Right here, dinosaurs and trucks. And then we're gonna do the girls. So for the girls, I think it's very easy because it's only pens and cards. Very cute also, guys. It goes like this. It says, "Hope your day is magical." I think it's nicer if you put it here, like the pen like this.
Push it down.
Show them. Show them how you did it. Good job. Good job, Priya.
Oh, it's already pushed down.
Okay.
Then, now can we do Andrea? Do you know who's Andrea's friend?
No.
Take a guess.
I don't know. Sienna?
No. Andrea's friends are Elizabeth and Evia.
Oh, okay.
They are her
They're
friends.
friends.
They are her friends.
How about you? Who are your friends?
Ali and just Julian. Ali and Julian. That's all. Those two. Those two are my friends.
Really? How about Edsel?
Oh, Edsel too. Yeah. And with Sanchez's class, Ilvia is my friend too. I mean, Irish is my friend too.
So you have a lot of friends.
Yeah, I got a lot of friends like Andrea. Andrea has only 2.
Really?
Dude, I push it down. Whoa! 5 pens on card. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There's still more. Why did you do this?
Well, this one are extra.
Oh.
I got 4 more extra.
Oh, you got 4 extra.
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
What do you want to give to Julian? Pink or purple?
There's
Pink?
pink.
Okay.
because pink is her favorite color.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
I didn't know that.
Sarah, she likes purple.
Really?
Are we making a pattern?
No, it doesn't have to be patterned.
Oh, this one is good. It's Jordan. Jordan loves pink color.
How do you know?
She loves pink. Like pink hearts and pink dragon fruits.
Really?
And pink
Where did you know about dragon fruits?
and pink milkshake.
Really?
And pink and pink pencils and pink markers and pink everything.
Alright guys, so this is our goodie bags for Valentine's Day. Are you excited to give it to your classmates, baby? Yes, you are? Okay, so as soon as the package arrived from Amazon, we're also gonna put it in these goodie bags. And yes, on that day, I'm also gonna show it to you guys. So that's it for today. I hope you like this video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!